hurricane rim trails, and we're about to do a trail called Cryptobionic. No idea what to expect, but this gets us back to my van. It says it's green. I thought it was blue. Trail course, unless it changes at some point. It's getting windy. Wind's going to pick up here after this attack. But it feels great out here today. Last 2 days it's been high 80s. Today it's low 70s. Cows just roam everywhere out here. I've never seen such. I see you looking at me. Yes. Moo moo. Okay. Wow, you're really close to the trail. Is it okay if I scoot past you, please? Please don't hurt me. Oh, you're two! Oh, it's a baby. Hello, hi. Hi. Oh my gosh. I didn't even see the baby. Whoa, you're a big girl. You've been eating a lot of desert. And then there's the baby, mama and the baby. Mama, moo moo. Okay. Wow. You're really big. Moo. Bye, moo moos. That does not look like, that looks like something fun if it had to go down, but not to go up. I swear it looked like this trail is going best for going down, but maybe I read it wrong. Now that rocky section on JEM, the beginning, yeah, that's black. I like this kind of calming. This is indeed a blue trail. This is a blue trail. Goosebumps. I can only imagine what that name entails, but I'd say it's probably bumpy. I think all the trails are better the other way. Now I remember looking at it. This is the backwards. This is why I didn't start the other way. It's best to start the trails from JEM Trailhead. part. This trail isn't that bad. I do it the other way. I think it'd be a little more flow the other way. So I think most of these trails are meant to go the other way. So these are the messes that you'll see in other videos, like more cowbell goes along the top of that. Idea of the trails, because these, if you park at JEM Trailhead, you got to get back to your car. So which either way, you got to go back, right? go to our camp spot and chill. Going to the wash. This trail is best going the other way too. Starting at JEM. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, I find the bikers out here way more better, or great with the bike etiquette. Oh, like, a lot better. I'm now starting to feel miles ahead. And the heat is getting hotter. Although it's not hot, it's just the sun here is a little more intense, I think, because maybe we're at 6,000 feet, we're just closer. So. That wind feels good. One more. Little tiny one. Little tiny mess. Okay. Woo! Maybe JEM would be the best one to go up. There's just a really flat section. Those punchy climbs are good to get in. They're a good workout. So we gotta climb back into the mesa top, get back to the parking lot. Oh, some exposure there. But nothing like the exposure of Portal. Some of those are blue. Let's see. It's really fun to go the other way. For sure. Thin little ribbon of a trail here along the edge. Almost there. The blind turn here. Oh, there we go. It's like, what's around the corner? It's pretty. For sure. Oh, we're at the end. I'm not climbing this bit. Which way would I want to go down? Over there? Probably. No, it's just straight over here. I think I'd want to go.